Hello, testing, testing. Damn, why does it sound so extra loud today? I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, I'm dressed like this today because I can't. Yeah, that's it. I just can't. It's so cold. I have a blankie. I have my onesie on. I'll show you the onesie now. Underneath the onesie, I have a very beautiful, nice little corset top and my riding pants. Because I was busy riding today, but I can't do it. Today's so cold that I was just like, no, maybe not today. So is everyone here? That's not in the middle of my head. That's going to annoy me. Aha, middle. So yes, what I was saying, I was in the process of saying things. Okay, so today I'm going to try out T-Trade's ICT method. Well, rather OTE ICT method. Did you know, by the way, the ICT method was founded by Michael J. Hudson? Very interesting. Huddleston. Oh my gosh, I messed it up. Okay, anyways. Michael J. Huddleston. I thought that was quite interesting. As you can see, I've been busy. I'm figuring out the correct thing that would work for me. You know, there's a shit ton of trading strategies out there. And you kind of have to play around and see which one works for you. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm being like, okay, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Awesome. So that's what I have set up here. So here's the Fibonacci. If you go and have a look at his video, just type in T-Trade's ICT OTE. Yes, ICT OTE strategy, and this comes up. So I'm gonna give it a try. If I mess it up today, I'm so sorry, T-Trades. Yeah, I want to give your method a shot. So this is kind of where we at. As you can see, I've put in all the values of the Fibonacci. Did I say Fibonacci sequence? It's not the Fibonacci sequence. I'm so sorry. It's the fib retracement method. Awesome. So if I had put my entry in over here, I wouldn't have gotten tagged in, which sucks. However, okay. But if I had it down here, so this is so today, I'm so sorry, this might be a bit of a boring day for you guys. It's a little bit of back testing while live. You know, what better way to back test than to do it live and see if it would work in a real life. I know that backtesting is real life, but you know, sometimes a candle does something unexpectedly that you not, you know. Let's try that again. Let's try English again. Sometimes candles do things that you don't really expect, or that you can't tell. Did they dip down first and then go up? Did they go up and then dip? You know, did they just consecutively go up? You know, you kind of have to watch it live in real time to see which direction it's tending to sway towards. And yeah, now we kind of wait and see if this works. So while we're waiting to see, the only thing with this is it does tend to take time. So I'm still kind of playing around with, do I then still do my consolidation method while we're backtesting so that we got something going on, or do I just purely backtest this today? Yeah, I guess we will wait and see, right? Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so far wouldn't have been tagged in there. Again, if I mess this up, I'm so sorry, and if anyone would love to come and correct me. I'm all ears. I'm here. I'm figuring things out. I actually do have a coach, and he suggested that this is what I do. I go and I look up a bunch of different strategies, backtest it, find out what works best for me, and what, I guess you could say, what sits well with me. You know, there's so many strategies. You just have to find one that works for you. And so this is what we're doing. I'm gonna try this one out today. Well, backtesting wise. If it goes well with the backtesting, then tomorrow I might try proper trading with it and see how it goes. So again, I do apologize if it's a little bit more of a boring one today. You know, sorry, no. That's all there is to it. Just sorry. Okay. I'm so sorry. It's a Monday, and I was preparing everything for today's event. No, I'm joking. It's not an event. You know, just all this. So I haven't marked any of the swings or any of these cool things yet today. That's what I'm gonna quickly do right now. Swings. Okay, all of the highs have been taken, so that makes life easier. That low's been taken. Here seems to be New York's swing low. I will mark that. I mean, New York's. London's. Maya? Can we please just focus? Honestly. Wow, we've been trending very bearish. I wonder if this was the proper break in structure and if it's gonna now be a bullish day. Let's find out. Oh gosh, no, what's happening? Here we go. Oh my word. That was odd. Anyways. Apologies. I'm on the 2-minute. Biscuit. There we go. Get more accurate here. There we go. Accurate. So again, I'm doing my trading on the 1-minute because I can. Here is Asia high. Cool. Should be done. Here we go. Never mind, those don't matter. Sorry. Sorry. And all of those are taken. Okay. That was fairly quick and easy. Anywho's. I'm gonna do same thing on my ES chart. There we go. See, I haven't even deleted the liquidity that's been taken. Oh, Friday did some madness. Okay. This is New York's high from Friday. Like it's basically equal highs at this point, right? A little bit of liquidity over here. Over here. Over here. Okay. Asia high. Nice. Nope, stop that. Yeah, so all of that was taken. It was definitely London's low. I will mark that now. Technically, here are some equal lows here. Oh, Dave. I got spam calling me. Spam is rude. We don't want to deal with spam. Why is it called spam? What does spam stand for? I'm gonna Google that now. What does spam stand for? Like, you know, when you get a spam call. Ooh, here are some equal highs. Okay. Equal highs. Okay, okay. Where were my equal lows? Go equal lows. Okay, okay, and London low. Amazing. Oh, okay, never mind. There goes my equal highs. Ignore me. Oh, what? What time is it? Oh, guys, it's past. Franks! Hi, Franks! How we doing, bud? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Can you tell I'm cold? Yeah, I'm not doing well. There we go. Holy moly. So that would not have been a good one. Okay, so Franks. What we're doing is, holy crap. I need to focus. So I went and I'm trying out some different strategies. So, hello. That didn't work. That definitely didn't work, but holy moly. I don't know what I was expecting from the opening, but this was hectic. Okay, so that would have been a loss. Yeah. That would have been a loss. If I'd done it from down there to down there. Yeah, though. That would have been a win. But, you know, when do you decide to stop? So this is, I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to, okay, that's gone. What's the best strategy? That's why we're kind of backtesting today, figuring some things out. Amazing. Holy cow. I don't know what I was expecting from today's opening, but sure. I did say, you guys weren't here, I did say that I think it's going to be bullish today. Look at me go. I'm figuring it out. This is wild. Okay, now we backtest. Not now, when it calms down. We backtest properly. See, so I don't understand, because if I had to draw this Fibonacci retracement here, it would have been a loss. Here, it just missed and just missed. Would have been, well, would have gotten tagged in here and then been absolutely screwed by this. This is very entertaining. Thank you. So, don't worry, I'm not going to do anything. So, news happening. Is that also why it's so volatile right now? Because this is ridiculous. Okay. So in 30 minutes, 27 minutes, 27. That's 4, basically. There is news at 4. Let's see what happens. I don't know why, but my house is so flipping cold. That's why I have this, and I have a blankie, and we're just going with it today. We have the onesie on today, and I'm saying screw it. So now, what I'm trying to decide, maybe you have some input, is while I'm backtesting, do I still do the usual consolidation, where we just carry on as normal while we're backtesting a potential new strategy? Or do I just purely do live backtesting today with this new strategy and say screw it, and if it works then we do it tomorrow? If it doesn't work, I go and I look at some other strategies, and then we try some more strategies tomorrow. Forward testing. See, I didn't know that was a thing. That's cool. Okay, so forward testing. See, you learn something new every day. Okay, so then should I just do forward testing today? Or should I forward test and stick to the consolidation? Thoughts? Franks, I'd love to hear from you too. What do you think? Amazing. Okay. Sorry, Franks. Basically, I'm doing forward testing today on a new strategy. But I was asking, should I do my consolidation strategy at the same time while I'm busy forward testing? So Sean says both. What do you think? No pressure. Just kidding, there's all the pressure. It's all on you, Franks. Ooh, that's not the right thing. Thank you. Okay, I'll do both so that there's some entertainment going on as well at the same time. Because I have a feeling this strategy is one that's a bit of a slow burn. Like you set up your Fibonacci, your fib, yes, your fib retracement. I'm gonna get it right. Okay. Ah, crap. I was too late. Oh, wait. I just move it there. Yep, I can move it there. Rate limit order. Nope, too late now. Shit, ran away. It ran away. Sorry. As you said it. Aw, damn. Okay, if it does it again. If it does it again. Hasn't taken... Oh, wait, it's about to take the high on ES. Oh, no, not yet. I don't know if it's a little bit risky. It's about to take this, but I mean, there's still more up here. Here's Friday's New York high. I wonder if it's climbing all the way to that. Holy moly, I mean, this is climbing properly. I mean, check it. Bye! Yo. Okay, no, it hasn't. Do I do one now with how close it is to liquidity on ES? There's the next question. Let me wait for it to take the liquidity on ES before I decide. If it's still climbing, then sure. When it does that, I get nervous. It still hasn't taken it on ES. Just so that you can see. Here we go. Check how close it is. Ooh. I mean, it's going properly right now. Let's see how long. Holy moly. Okay, thank you. Oh, so that's why it's melting now. Makes sense. Well, doesn't make sense when you explain what CFDs are. I will understand what you're talking about. But that's why it's melting, basically. Got it. Okay, took that liquidity. So according to this, right, it should theoretically go from here to here. And now we see if it works. Okay, so there I would have been tagged in. Let's see if it goes back up. Or if I'm gonna get tagged up. Okay, so there was a break in... Well, hey, not really, huh? Not yet. Okay, so now, does it go back up? Because what would this be? Let's see. Would this be a 3R, 2R? How many R's are we? What put it out there? Just short of 3 R's, 2.42. Is this gonna work? Huh, it looks like it might. Oh, cool. Nope. Wait, I spoke too soon. I must learn to just shut up. Just shut up. I mean, it's climbing on ES. It's climbing nicely on ES. ES is clearly a whole lot stronger than the micros today. Or just NQ, I guess. Let's see if it keeps pushing or if it's gonna melt now. Because theoretically that's the idea. Forward testing. I must remember that. Is this a nice order block or not? Oh, well, not on the 2 minute. Probably definitely not on the 5. Nope. The 1 minute, there's a little order block here though. I wonder if it's gonna get stopped out by that. Wait. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say theoretically it's consolidating, but I don't want to put a trade in until after the news. So I'll wait. Yeah, I'll wait until that. Oh no. So would have gone up to there. And now is it just gonna melt? So far, that one was a loss. No, maybe don't move it and mess with it. No, there we go. That one was a loss. Just went straight through there. This one... I don't want to speak too soon, but it seems to be going in a losing direction. Unless I messed that up. I may have messed it up, in which case T-Trades, come here and help me out. It may have had to be drawn like this, but then it's always the question of how do you know, you know? Probably should have been drawn like this. Which I wouldn't have been tagged in for. But definitely would have been a loss by now. For the other one. So loss didn't get tagged in, unfortunately, or else would have been a win if this went a little bit higher up. Okay. Like I said, if I'm messing it up, let me know. Yeah, I just missed the tag in, unfortunately. Theoretically should be drawn by the orange. Oh well. Oh well, it's fine. Consolidating. Yeah, I don't want to be stuck in a trade. Though to be fair, that would have been such a nice win. Look at this. Check out this. Hooey, I should have just done it. I was so focused on this new strategy. Yep. Oh, that would have been a nice one. Check there. Yep. Oh well, it's fine. Because then, do you not theoretically do this now? Yeah, I'm figuring it out. I have the same values and amounts that T-Trades had. Yeah, now I'm just waiting to see if it works. Eventually. Hopefully. I say hopefully. I mean, if it doesn't work, there's a very good chance that maybe I messed it up and I'll just have to go back and double check I did everything correctly. Sorry if I did. Ooh, it's consolidating. No, 10 minutes. Don't do it. Or do I do it? Dun dun dun! Which way are we headed, though? This wouldn't have a tag in, by the looks of things. Because there's a little order block. I am thoroughly confused. Because my brain's going, it won't go all the way up there because there's an order block and a fair value gap. Which basically it did. It bounced off of the fair value gap. Unless I'm drawing these wrong, but yeah, someone correct me if I'm drawing them wrong. He said from the high down to the low, which this is. So again, didn't get tagged in. This is starting to look a little bit like a mess. Sorry. I'll leave that one. Oh, yeah, there's another nice one I could have done. It's fine. I also don't want to get caught being in a trade when the news happens, because that's bad. We don't need that. That's not good for anyone. Okay. Let me draw in my lines. Unless I am purely messing it up. I don't think so. I'll go have a double check. Oh. Took a swing on ES. Wow, this volatility is pretty insane. I'm assuming it's all because there's news happening later, like in the next where we at? Next 8 minutes after the news, I'll trade. Unless I'm not doing them big enough. I'll figure it out. It's fine. It's fine. I'll figure it out. I got 2 more months. 2 more months to get amazing at this. Because that is then when I have no more job. 2 months to go. Literally June, July. 1st August. That's that. Sounds so much scarier, but anyways. It'll be fine. Okay. Whoop. Ooh. Whoop. Ooh, no. There's so many spots where I want to trade, but I don't want to be caught in a trade, because that's bad when the news comes on. So I'm gonna have to sit and wait until 4. After 4, we can have some fun. Until 4, I mean, we could still have some fun, right? But the question is fun. Oh, no. I have very bad plans. It's fine. Very bad ideas. It's too cold. I was going to say I could do some training. I did already do my training today. I did my EMS training. You don't know what EMS training is. It's electromyostimulation. Very cool. 20 minutes is the same as 4 to 8 hours in the gym. Franks, I don't know if they have that in Holland. I'm sure they must, right? You guys are way ahead of South Africa. To be fair, majority of places are way ahead of South Africa. You know, if we're being honest. Unless I've gotten this wrong. Okay, hear me out. Should it be looking like this? Ooh, see, I can't even go that high. Should it be looking like this? Because in that case, there's the tagging. Huh. Let's see. I wonder if that's how it should rather be. So it has to be go big or go home, basically. Kind of what it looks like. Let's see if it goes all the way back up there. If it does, I'll be thoroughly impressed, because that's pretty cool. And that would be quite a nice win, if I do say so. Well, not that I'm winning, but you know. Okay, let's say it's supposed to be like that. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, we have 3 minutes left. I got excited. I was like, it's 4, we can trade. No, we cannot trade yet. Keep your cool. Just carry on. Yep. Am I doing something wrong? Is this right? You know, maybe it's just not the strategy for me. Maybe I'm completely messing it up. So, did you know ICT inner circle trading? ICT trader inner circle trader. Sorry, can you see I went and I did some research on it? So ICT inner circle trader was a strategy created by something J Hiddleston. Give me a second. Michael J Hiddleston. I don't know who that is. As far as I got, but I thought that was pretty cool. It's a whole strategy kind of that you've created called the ICT. And I was like, huh. One day I wish to be that cool, that you can have like a whole strategy kind of named after you. I could also maybe not be giving it a really fair chance because there's news on its way. You know, similar reason why I'm not trading right now. Because of the news that's happening in the next minute or two. Whoop. There we go. That was the news. That's what this is. Cool. Cool. Saw that coming. Anyway, well, I didn't, but so this also seems like it's going to be a loss. Holy moly. Okay, so when it consolidates now, if it consolidates, holy crap. Okay. Hello. So this one also would have been a loss. This is just not going great, is it? This forward testing's not going so well. Anyways, okay, bye. Okay, let me also give it a minute to calm down. Let me take any notes of any funky things, not really. Nothing super special that I noticed anyway. Stop that. My gosh, if things could just stop being so moody. They just take after me. It's okay. I get it. Righty then. It's a proper onesie and onesie. It's a proper Monday. Oh my gosh, brain. Because then my brain is now saying it would be from there to here, right? Again, it just missed, unless this starts being the entry point. So far, this one seems to be the way to go. So instead of that, the 0.705 at the 0.62. Oh, wait, maybe not. Let's see. Let's see what it does. And no. And wow, this is real jumpy. Did they have good things on the news? I don't. If that makes sense. Oh, it's so cold. I'm too much of a baby for this weather. Okay, so there would have been a tag in. Okay, hit an order block. Now let's see if it keeps going down or if it's just gonna say fuck you and go back up. Let us wait and see. Okay. This, let me shut up. I was gonna say this may be a win, and then it does that, so you I'll just stop talking. I don't think you guys heard that. There was a very annoying cricket. And it finally stopped. No, maybe it wasn't a cricket. Maybe it was a cicada? I'm sorry, can you see my brain's just kind of today? It's just going, no, maybe not today. Okay. Hit that order block now. Is that an order block? I guess. Oopsie, wrong thing. Oh. Anyways. Oh, no. Well, definitely not on the 2 minute. Let's see if this does end up melting all the way down. Because then this one would have been a win. But then I just have to figure out... Yeah. When is the best time to draw? Because theoretically there should have been one, but not a chance I was going to go all the way up there. Oh, are we going back up? We appear to be going back up. Back up. So how was your weekend? Mine was ridiculously boring, which is well, I say boring. So I had 3 horses to work on Saturday. That was always good. And this one is also a loss. Well, okay, it's a loss. I was gonna say I'm assuming, but oh, loss. Okay, I feel like I'm maybe doing something wrong. T-trades or someone who has the strategy like this, please come tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong, because I feel like I'm messing it up and I'm butchering it, and I feel bad because I shouldn't be butchering it. Unless, I mean, that could have been like a break even if you made it that if it gets down to this line at 0.5, you move it down to break even. So let's say it was break even. Basically. But interesting, because you know, then you come here and you kind of go, but let me delete that, because then you could be like, here we go, here and here, and oh, it wouldn't have made it in. Damn. Wouldn't have gone all the way down. Do you think I'm doing this right? Maybe I'm messing it up and completely butchering it. I had high hopes for this one because of the fair value gap and the order block that was right here. So I thought, aha. And then it just, theoretically it did. It popped into the order block, melted, and now it's coming back up. Oh, wait, it's, oh, wait, no, it's consolidating. Sorry, too excited. No, wait. I'd have to wait for 3 at least, right? Yes. Wait for 3. So 30 seconds left. Long or short, is this? Ugh. Oh. So, aha, there's that little tag. Will it be done here? What does it look like on the 2 minute? Oh, does not look like anything on the 2 minute. So apparently short was the correct answer for that one. Because then here's the argument, right? Here we go. Here's another there to there. Move it across a little bit. No. Like, it appears the best entry right now would be at the 0.62. Never mind. When will I learn my lesson to just shut up? Just shh. Honestly. Bar play yay? Yay play still. Wait, this one might work. Let's see. Would have been a tag in. Now it's climbing. Are we gonna assume that's break even? So move it to break even. Okay. Maybe moved it a little bit higher up now, I don't know. But definitely break even. And now... Okay, so I'm gonna leave it on break even, leave it, you know, not doing much, but still. There we go. Oh, that's the Portuguese with this thick bloody hair that just does its own freaking thing half the bloody time. It's fine. Tried to chop it off. Didn't work so well. So now I just have a mane. It's fine. So... Pile of common? What does that mean? You're talking about my hair now. Blaine, what does that mean? Now I want to like Google Translate. For where? Long or short? Buy stop for where? Bold it is, because, yeah, styling it is. I mean, I can, don't get me wrong. Eh. Like, yeah. Okay, right, limit order, let's do a buy stop. Oh. Snap. Okay, let's see, it's above that one. And then it's right by this liquidity here. Oh, at high. Let me move this up a little bit then. There we go. Okay, let's see. Ah, now we're melting. But it seems to be doing this thing again. Hate it when it does this thing. So, bold or style it? Sorry, as I was saying, sorry, Franks, I got distracted. I can style it. I'll find you a photo of it styled. It looks really good. How do I put this? It just takes so much effort. Just takes so much effort. I mean, I could very easily style it because there is so much of it. I could do a whole lot of things. You should have seen. So I'm a proper nerd. Oh my gosh, it's climbing. Okay, so it took the liquidity there on ES. Okay. No. No. I've tried the bob. It does not suit me. The long hair where I look like a mermaid works quite well. I could do the mermaid thing. Except I'm terrible at swimming, so let's not call it a mermaid. I want to say the one thing coming to my mind is like a princess look, and I'm like, I'm very far away from a princess. I need a crown. Oh my gosh, why is it doing this messing around thing today? Bloody hell. Okay, when it breaks, it's gonna break properly up or not. I have tried a bob before. It makes my face look really round. It doesn't work so well. Styling it definitely does, especially if I straighten it and then it just makes it longer. Because I mean, it's pretty long. It goes all the way down here. But turn around, I'll show you my back. How it looks on my back. It's really, don't get me wrong, I love my hair. I don't have to worry about balding. But if you've seen my mother, so my mother immigrated to Uruguay. Well, my parents, both of them, they immigrated to Uruguay. She has short hair. It's almost, the longer it is, the less poofy it gets. I'm blessed and cursed at the same time. Yes, it's very entertaining. And I've never attempted a pixie cut. I don't think that'll suit me very well. So long it is, because I can then also tie it up for my horse riding. Yeah, when it comes to horse riding, you have to think about all of these things. Like if it gets in your face all the time, it's going to be super annoying. Like as it is, this is, we're in, I got distracted. Okay, I got distracted. You got me talking about hair, thanks. Oop. Oh no. It took the liquidity on ES. I maybe should have then cancelled that bloody order. But I don't really want to watch. But it did break out nicely, so I'm hoping it keeps breaking out nicely. No, you bastard. This is just mean. There we go. That didn't work. There we go. Okay. Damn it. Yeah, it took it really quickly. That's the thing. It took it and then... And now watch it go up. This little... It's fine. It's fine. It's part of it. It's doing this... very annoying... thing again. I hate it when it does this. On the plus side, check, it worked. The ICT strategy would have been a win. I would have gotten tagged out there. So with the ICT strategy... Cool. Look at it climb now. What the hell? No. Okay, so it wants to go long. That's the impression I'm getting. It wants to go long. It's just not happening. Wait, I want to... I'll do that now. I want to see something. If I go... these ones. If I do this. Put it here. Just have to make sure it goes far enough out. There we go, so that I don't get screwed again. I'm gonna wait and see if there's a third one there. A nice third one. I should have just done that. Should I do it? I should probably do it. No. Every time I do this, then I get screwed. Let me wait. Let me wait for it to break out properly and do things whilst I'm just acting off of impulse, which is not good. Except look, this would have been a win. Or would it have? All good questions. Yes? No? Maybe. Yeah. Ah, shit, it would have been a win. Okay, well, you know, it's broken out of this consolidation, so that's fine. Now I feel a bit more comfortable trading with that. Where was it? It was there. There we go. Right idea, timing a little bit off. Ah, oh well, that's fine. Let's see. If it consolidates again, wait. There's an order block on ES that it's just hit. Here's the order block, yeah. Kind of. Okay. Let's see if it consolidates. And then go from there. No? I have not. I will have a look at that. I'm gonna have a look at that. I'm gonna write it down so I don't forget. Because as you can see in my brain. I'll give it a try tomorrow. Let's see. So on the plus side, this one would have been a win, but there would have been like 3 losses before that win. Oh, I have not traded those. No. Have you? Have you traded the gold and silver NNN? It took me a minute. Okay, so if I had there and there, this one didn't get tagged in, right? If I'd done that. Oh wait, I'm getting distracted. Oh wait. It's a little bit big. It's a little bit big. This would be better if there's a third one there. Probably long. Unless it's gonna run off now. Which is mean. Just wait for me. Honestly. I'm gonna make a stop. 6, 5. Okay. Doing that because I'm gonna count this one as one. Anyways, these commodities have better. I'll have a look into it. I'll definitely have a look into it. Let me do some Googling when I'm done here. I'm gonna take your word for it, Franks. Then if it's not good, guess whose fault it is? No, I'm joking. I'll never blame you. Is gold crazy? There we go. See, apparently gold is crazy. Come on, please keep pushing. Look at that nice liquidity right there. I'd already tapped that. Okay. I am now watching ES like a hawk. If it touches the high. Did you guys hear that motorbike? Ah, Forex is way overrated. Oh, that's nice. Ah, okay. So what I'm hearing is we should just go for gold. No, go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Don't be a... Wheat. You trade in wheat. I never thought about that, but I guess it makes sense, right? Just basically, yeah. I don't even want to watch this. I'm just gonna keep staring at the ES, and if it takes the liquidity, I'll close it. If it takes the high. Or when it takes the high, because I will still be in. So what's a good season right now? Is it the gold? Are we in gold season? Just bloody freezing season? For me, bloody freezing season. Okay, I'm watching it, I'm watching it. What do you trade, Franks? Oh, yeah, are you trading? What? So I'm watching ES like a hawk. If it takes it on ES, I'm gonna close here. Ah, cool. I know what that means. It means no idea. There's the Afrikaans. Hey, check. You closed. Okay, wait. Poop. Go back up a little bit. Go back up a little bit. Go back up a little bit. Go back up. Okay. Was a tiny bit in the green. Not great, but a little bit. Watch it go up now. Oh, it's messing around a lot. Okay. Okay. Okay, so... Sorry, let me go back to focusing on this for 2 seconds. Yeah. Okay, 2 seconds. Let me do this. So if I went here... Here... Okay, so that one would not have worked because it wouldn't have been tagged in. Okay, so that one was a loss. This one was a win. Took long, but it was a win. Tagged in there. If I'd done here to where though? I guess the new one would be here to here. Would it be? Is that considered the new or is here? No, it would be up there. If I go here, here. I wonder if it's gonna go back down that far. Oh, it's still messing around. Why is it messing around? There's no momentum at all today. Well, it was a lot earlier. I feel like I'm doing something wrong with this. I know that Afrikaans is close. Well, I understood what geen idea means. Yeah. Geen idea. I don't think I'm saying that right. my gosh. That's really good. 70%. That's ridiculous. Well done. So I'm just having a quick look at this here. Would this be dumb? I feel like this might be dumb. Yeah. Why do you think I do that? No, I do. When I'm in a trade, I go like, nope. It's taken this. I don't have to worry about that. The next order block is here, but there's a high right there. Okay. I'm having a look at this. Might be dumb, might be good. About to find out. This is a very little one. But sometimes it's then a quick tag in, tag out. Very easy to be risking everything else though. Hey, now, let me have a look. 7. Okay, so it took that high. So if it keeps going up now... No, don't do that. Yes, do that. Make it a stop. So it took those highs, so if it goes up now, I should be fine. Let me do my buy stop. There's absolutely no momentum though, but... Cancel. Oh, okay. Yes, took, but I'm saying if I get tagged in now, there's an order block up here and more liquidity up there. So it took it, I'm not in the trade. This is for if it does start to push up. Which is what I'm hoping for. Will it though? I don't know. I think it's gonna go long again. Well, will it? Damn it. Yep. Damn it, Tron! Flip. No, don't do that. They went for that. Ooh, there we go. It's gonna go check out the wheat. Okay, wait, let me have a look here. Are you a wheat farmer? Or what is it that you do, Franks? What do you do, Franks? I don't know if you saw that, Franks. He's asking what works well on ZW. I feel like I'm out of the loop. What's ZW? I'm still new to this. I'm like a baby. Franks, come back. Nice. That's very cool. Well, yeah, I'm super jealous. Doing things with your hands and being outside is so much fun. So that's why I'm a horse riding instructor, actually. And I am a qualified personal trainer. I do have noodle arms still, but I am qualified. Maybe you can help me with my cards not sounding great. It'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. So Franks, I don't know if you saw what the liquidity provider asked. He said, what works well on ZW? And no one's telling me what ZW is, and I'm sad. Okay, we have a quick look at something here. Hit the order block, went down. But now we're gonna keep going down. So I'm just mumbling to myself, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Just having mini conversations. Only technical analysis. Holy crap. Sorry, not you, this. That answered that question of, do I think it's going long or short? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, this forward testing is not going great. I mean, here would have been a win, right? So it's... here would have been a win. There. I drew there to there. Let's see if it comes back into this. So theoretically, I guess you drag it higher up now. Okay, so that one would have been a win. We're having a look at this one now. Are we going to keep going short? That's the next question. According to this, it needs to climb down a little bit more. There's a little order block here. Let's see. Nope. Maybe. Yes? Eh? Okay, so that's not a consolidate. Well, maybe it is. Let's see. We still have 8 seconds. Nope, not one. Check at the 2-minute quickly. Five-minute. Oh my gosh, my charts just look like absolute chaos today. I'm so sorry. This looks so messy. Figuring out things. It's not always the easiest. Break and retest. I'm kinda gonna have to, hey? Because this, yeah. I mean, I can mark this one as a win. This is chaos. My poor brain cells. Short off of... Ah. There we go. Okay, let's see. Okay, limit order. Let's see if it works. Okay, I did put it a few clicks. Yep. Oh, you know what? I'm making a mess. Give me a second. Do you think it's going to come back up to this side? Too far down. There we go. Let's see. Do you think it'll go back up that high? Okay, let's see. Let's give it a go. There's a little bit of an order block here. There we go. Here's an order block. What about that one? Oh, sorry. Go away. Apologies. It still hasn't reached down here. Should I try long for that one? Should I put it at the orange and see if it tags in? Do a 1-to-1, cool. Make it like that. Let's do that. Okay. 1-to-1. Oh, my flip. Yeah, it's gonna hate me. Okay. Same deal. Let's give it a go. Okay. We got 2 up. This is where I have to sit on my hands or else I do dumb things. I'm just gonna stay right here. Ah, if it tagged me in, that would have been nice. Let's see if it keeps going a little bit higher to tag me in. Then go down, tag me in on that one. That would be cool. That would be really cool. Will it do it though? Probably not. But that's okay. Okay, let's see. It now goes down to there. Okay. Sorry, Franks, you're just watching a bunch of chaos today. But I guess sometimes you have to have some chaos amongst the organized, I guess. You can... It's not so organized though, is it? But that's okay. Sorry, my friend Jade just tried to call me. Sure, she's fine. I'll message her now. Let's see. Is it gonna tag us in? Tag us in, tag us in, tag us in, tag us in. Come on! A little bit more. Just don't screw me and tag me in and then out. That'll be mean. We don't like that. Even put it like a few points below. Okay, we're in. Now let's see if we melt. Okay, definitely hit the order block. Now you need to melt. I'm trying not to get too excited. Every time I do that. Okay. Break even. There we go. Modify, so it's a few points below. Okay. For the spread. Gotta remember the spread. Come on, keep pushing down. Keep pushing down. I'm trying really hard not to get, like, too excited. Would be nice. I'm just saying. I'm just saying to whoever the trading cards? No. Come on, come on. Oh, this is mean. It's consolidating nicely. Oh no. Yay, no. As I said it. As I said it. How am I not out? Okay, now I'm out. Okay, break even. We could deal with the break even. Break even's fine. You know, as long as it's not a loss, then I'm happy. Break even, so for break evens, I put a little dot. Okay. That, I don't know what to call that. It was close. Close. Oh, not close. Close. What the hell? I really have no clue. This market seems like it wants to push bullish. There we go. But I mean, you never know. Oh look, there it goes. Were you saying Close or... I know you can't tell me. I was gonna say, you saying close or close? They spelt the same. English is very confusing. Wonder, yeah. English is very confusing. I don't know why we deal with it, but it's fine. What's this looking like? We're getting there. So no... no. Oh, it's doing this weird thing again. I hate it when it does this. Because now technically with this, right? Here's a high. This would have been the low. Come, focus. Still not really close, eh? Yo, I feel like I'm messing it up. T-Trades, come sort me out. Oh no, it's doing this. I hate it when it does this. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to get out of this before I consider trading again. I can't trade when it's like this, because then I just lose everything. Because there's no momentum at all in either damn direction to how you're supposed to get a bloody win. Let's go. Let's go. No. Break out of it. Breakout. Have a breakout like teenagers. Let's do this. Are we doing it? No? We're gonna break out? I'm scared. I'm scared. That's it. Just full stop. I'm just scared. This is scary stuff. What I was gonna say is I'm scared it just breaks out and just absolutely screws me. That won't be very nice. Ah, would have worked. I know. I'm looking at it going, ah, what the heck? If it can just tag me in there now, then whee, that'd be great. But then it's, you know, when do you decide, or do you then just decide that you go like halfway, so that you only lose half? So instead of going break even, you go to like round halfway, and then if you lose, then you lose just half, or if it then goes down again, then you win. Yeah, it's deciding that. Can you please get out of this? Where's the momentum? Hi! Hey Tyler, how you doing? Welcome! Oh, did Franks go? I was gonna say, you can meet Franks. Franks, Tyler, Franks. Tyler, you know Sean. We've got a whole little chat going. It's quite cool. I'm having too much fun with it. No, I guess it's good. Break out of it. Just get out of this. Here is some liquidity. One loss. I'm gonna call it like 2 break-evens. I'm not really gonna call that a win. That was like a half a win. So 1 loss. That's where we're at for right now. So I had to wait until 4 p.m. because there was news at 4, which is where this big giant fuck you candle came into play. Oh, I should have done an order block one there. Check. Tagged in beautifully and then melted. Oh well. I'm hoping it'll do it here. There's a nice little order block there. Let's see. Are we finally out? No, maybe not. Thanks. Okay. Yeah, now it's just jumping around, so there's not much going on. Well, enjoy. Why are you going? Wow, that's rude. Bye. Bye then. Be like that. Just leave. Ooh, no. Okay, so took liquidity there. Is it going to jump up? Take some liquidity and then melt? Or is it just gonna dive? Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, we have an upwards momentum. No, we don't. Never mind. Okay. Oh, it's right by that liquidity. I wonder if it's gonna take it and then melt. So it's by the liquidity on ES. There we go. I don't think it's coming back into that one anytime soon, at least. I'll keep it up in case, but I don't think so. However, here's a new one here. How's it look on the 2-minute? Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. No. Okay, took that liquidity. Okay, let's see. Okay. So we are indeed consolidating. I'm starting to think this method is just... Not that it's a bad one, just that it... How do I put this? I think it's one that might mate. Ooh, English! Might work better on a longer time frame. Because it probably will come back into there, potentially. It's fine. I'm figuring it out. Ooh, what's this? What's this doing? One, two, three. Let's see what it does. It's a little one. I mean, it would be better to put it by that one. Oh no, we might be just melting and running off already. Yep, there we go. Bounce off of it, bounce off of it, bounce off of it, bounce off of it, bounce off of it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bounce properly, bounce properly. I'm gonna move halfway. Kind of. Come on. Pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Up, you bastard. Shit. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh, I don't want to close the position and it's a mistake. Oh, I can't breathe. I have to keep reminding myself that oxygen is good and I need it. Come on, go up, go up, go up, go up. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Come on, push, 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 push. Keep pushing. A little bit more. Stick with the plan. This was the plan. Don't mess with it. I should have messed with it. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on! Nope, it's still pushing on ES. I'm so scared. Oh, this is so stressful. I don't like this. Holy shit. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's still pushing up on ES. Oh, well, you know, screw me then. Whatever. Come on, come on, come on. Push, push, push a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh my gosh. Keep pushing. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. 17 seconds. 15. Oh my gosh! Yes! Okay, we are winning. We are winning. Winning! Oh, is that what you're asking what I did? Oh. Damn, that was a stressful roller coaster. That was, wow, okay. Pranks, I can tell you, I trust you. Oh. No, not easy, not easy. Definitely not easy. That was stressful, stressful, lemon, stressful. Oh. Holy moly. Okay. I mean, it was messing around here, it jumped back down into it. I was like, yeah, that's it, that's the reversal. And then, oh, thank heavens. But no, stressful, stressful. All the lemon stressfuls. Here's one more. What does it look like on 2 minutes? Yes, I tried the 1 minute. Yep, 2 minutes does not look great. Yeah, I tried the 1 minute because clearly I enjoy, yes, exactly, I enjoy torturing myself. Big oof. Should I put this one back up? I kind of took it down because it looked like we had been going back up that way. This one. You talking about this one? I can. I hope that's not too big. Yeah, I mean, a little bit big. Let's see. Let's see, hopefully it's fine. Here's a nice little order block as well. See if it starts going up that way, I'll place one for there. Yes, that would do it. Yeah, the 1 minutes are the ITFs. Listen, I like the 1 minutes purely for the fact that it's quick. I was actually trading 5 minutes. I have a 5 minute GAN for fair value gaps. And it was a lot, LFT, sorry. Thank you. I was like, IFT, LTF. Okay, yes? Yes. Anyways, what I was saying was I was trading the 5 minutes. I had a 5 minute GAN for the fair value gap. And it was just boring for me, if that makes sense. Like, it wasn't this quick go, 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 but it works really well for low time frames. If you have a really good strategy, then it's amazing. I have a feeling it's similar with this strategy. I have a feeling this strategy would work better, yeah, like hourly or something like that. But you know, as you saw on Friday, I have crazy ADHD. If I have to sit here watching the 5 minute candles, I do have a really good, okay, stick around, let me see. I have a really good 5 minute one that worked really well. I say really well. It had a decent. Okay, high time frames are better if you can hold, apparently. Like I said, for me, they're just way more fun. I know that's such a random thing. One, two, one. There we go. Yep. So the liquidity provider is my coach, just so that you know what's going on, Franks. Why I tend to listen to him quite a bit. So he is coaching me through this process while I'm figuring things out. He was the one that suggested that I try a whole bunch of different strategies, see what works. Hopefully this bounces back down, off of it, bounce 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 off of it. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce. Come on. It wants to. Bounce down. Yeah, yes, yes. Yeah, yes. Woo! Okay. That one was easy. You can say easy now, okay? Like I said, way more fun. It's just way more fun for my brain to do these quick ones because it's this sounds bad. It's what's the wording? Sorry, now I have to focus while I'm trying to do 5 things. We like instant gratification. That's it. Especially as young people. Yeah, it's not a great thing, but you know, we thoroughly enjoy instant gratification. And with the 1 minute instant gratification is very much there. As you can see, that literally took what? 20 seconds? And then boom, there it is. Let me just see how we're looking. Okay. So instant gratification, very much, yes. Which is also sad, right? It shouldn't be the way. Is this one. Is that one? Is that one good? Yes, no? Maybe? Oh, gotta decide quickly. Crap. Might be too late. I'm gonna be too late. Too late. So too late. Damn. Well, let's see if it would have worked. So I could have actually made it smaller. Then it would have worked, definitely. So if I had it there and there. Nope, not like that. There. Let's see. Let's... I missed it, unfortunately. I say unfortunately, maybe fortunately is the better word. Yep. Sorry, I have so many hiccups today. It's driving me crazy. I mean, flip, I could have put a limit order. What? Yeah. Okay, so this one, wait. I was about to say this one wouldn't have been a win, and then watch. Watch now go do the opposite. Just because I said that. It loves doing that. No? Yes? Maybe? Okay. Oh, I've been really bad at drawing in my liquidity lines right now. There. Here. Okay, so now. Liquidity. So out of curiosity, Sean, if you have time to type, why are high time frames better? Just curious. You know, I kind of want to, you know, or, you know, after this, I can also go and have a Google, which, you know, the pros and cons of both, and then we can discuss tomorrow. Like a proper teaching session. So I find all of this, oh man, it would have been a bloody win. You must be joking. Would have been stressful there at the beginning, but it would have been a win. Man. Oh well. Yeah, thoughts on low time frame and high time frames? Yeah, I just find it all super interesting. Like, I also really want to go and Google Michael J. Hiddleston. H-A. No, H-U, sorry. No, I just wrote that like a dumbass. Yeah, I feel, yeah, people who don't find this super interesting are just boring. There's so much to learn, and just as I think I've learned everything, you come with new things, and I go, what? Look at that, there's another thing to look out for. It's absolutely ridiculous. But it makes it super exciting. And this is way too much fun. Way too much fun. Okay. Not the biggest fan of what it's doing right now. Let's see. I'm so bummed about that. That would have been a nice little win. Would have been bloody stressful. I thought it was too late. I actually wasn't. I could have. It's fine. I'm trying to decide. So, we are in the profits for today, which is amazing. That's all I want. I steadily want to be in the profits every day. Will that always happen? No. Why? Because trading. But I'm trying to decide, because we had a break even, a half a win there. I don't know if that counts as a win. If I should leave on a good note, or if we see, yeah, thoughts? Should I leave it on a good note for today and then come back again later? Yeah, T-Trades, come find me and tell me what I did wrong, because yeah, I feel like I did. Oh wait, theoretically, no, it's still up there. I feel like I did something wrong. But to be fair, he probably, I do remember him kind of saying he worked with the higher time frames. Which means, so I'm gonna do the 5 minute for you. Okay, get rid of the chaos for 2 seconds. Okay. So if we work with the higher time frame, would be from here down to there. Which would mean it should tag in here and then theoretically melt down. If I have that correct. That was my understanding of the ICT method. So sorry, everything's gonna come crashing back up. There we go. Would look something like that. So would have tagged in, cool, and now been messing around. And if we have a look at the 15, yeah, would have come in, tagged in, and now again it's having way too much fun. Yeah, I feel like I need to just find good. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. This looks shocking. Okay, there we go. Still too much chaos. Okay. Even this still looks too chaotic right now. My poor brain. Oh, here's a 5 minute. Would the 5 minute one be better? That's where it is. It's just a really big one. That's where I have it for the 1 minute. Okay, let's get out of the chaos again. 1 minute then would be around here. Okay, at least we're melting. We're going somewhere. If it taps here and bounces, I might then say nope. I've just lost hearing in my ear. That's okay, right? That should be fine. That should be fine. Oh dear God. Oh my gosh. So much chaos. Should I do the 5-minute order block or stick with this 1-minute order block? I can't do this. I'll redraw that later. It's a little bit too much for my brain right now. Thoughts? 5-minute? 2-minute? Or rather the 1-minute, but then that order block is really big. No, the L Brooks. I don't. And just like that, I have something else on the list. Is that the one you use? Or which one are you using? 1 minute. Okay, cool. Which one do you use? Out of curiosity. Because now I have to go and have a look-see. Nope. It's a famous scalper. Wow. I need to diversify myself a little bit more, hey? Ask me anything about horses and gym. I got you. That's on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna go have a look. I'm definitely gonna go have a look. As soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna go check it out. Is this one here? Maybe not. Well, could still potentially be one, but just... Many flags, channels, and pulse moves. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna... Ooh. Let me do this. Give me a second. I'll be right with you, Franks. I don't know if this is a good one. Do flags really work? Gosh, you guys are making me feel like I know absolutely nothing. Which theoretically I don't. Like, I'm 2 months in. I really don't know a lot. What about this trade? Yes, no, maybe? This order block here? Make this a little bit smaller. No. There's a farish way to go. Well, I have a lot to learn about trading. That's definitely one thing I have come to realize. I know, like, this much. And of course the bars in their own power. Bull bar closing is long signal. Are you talking about what's his face? Wait, L. Brooks. Are you talking about his strategy right now? I don't know how I feel about this one right now. Frank, you make me feel dumb. Jeez. I'm gonna... As soon as I'm off of this, I'm gonna be like this and this and this and trying to figure out everything. Wow, you're coming up with all these things that I'm just like... Yeah. I'm figuring some things out. I know the basics. You can come at me with the basics. And I'm definitely gonna go find out about L. Brooks and the flags. Anyone care to explain flags? No, don't worry. I find it really interesting. Like, I'm absolutely loving this. And you never know, sometimes you might mention something that just clicks even better, which is amazing. Up $220. Should I leave it at that for today? Tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, before I lose this. Yes, I'm up. Must I stop? Yes. No. Yeah, 2.5 wins. 1 loss and 1 break even. Yeah. 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 Is this right? Or should this be a little bit lower down by the blue one? No, that is fair. If it's working, then stick with it, right? You know, I guess just the more information you have, the better. Or the better... It's always say trading's a bit like guesstimation, right? It's a little bit of guessing, but you have estimated all the possibilities because you know a lot. And the more you know, the better you can predict. There we go. That's better. Predictability is the better word. Oh, I hope this is right. Oh, there was a little order block here. That it's just bounced off of. Damn it. That was a very little order block, but it was still an order block. That would have been a bloody win, I think. Listen, you're more than welcome to mess with my brain. It's... it has a lot to learn still. And the more you know, right? At the end of the day, that's always the thing. The more you know, the better you can do. And we're seeing if this works. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this one. Franks, how long have you been trading for? How did you figure all this out? I'm watching there. It bounces there. 1 year. Cool. See, and I'm sure you also are still learning things after 1 year. I don't think you ever stop learning with trading, so it's the reason. Sorry, you're gonna get so sick of me saying this, but anyways, so for me, it's why I enjoy horse riding so much. And so why I teach horse riding. It's because just when you think you know something, or when you think you figured it out, yeah, your horse can turn around and basically just give you the middle finger, and you go, okay, you're not learning things still. You lie. Oh, okay. So do you know then everything? Oh gosh. That was close. Being objective. Okay, well, we're in that one. Bounce off properly. Bounce off properly. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce more. No, that's fair. Frank, you're very wise. Thank you. That is very true. Speaking of, I'm going to move this down to halfway. Come on. No! What the hell? Go down! Go down a little bit more. Yeah! Okay, just like that. Oh, my heart can't stand it, but we're done. We did it! Why are you still there? Go away. Yes? Oh, it didn't get everything in. Yeah, close that. That's fine. Hi. Okay. Have a look. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, everybody. Franks, this is Periwinkle. Yes, Periwinkle. Hello. He is the best at everything. Oh, that was good. Okay. We have our 3 wins for the day. Oh, what a big sigh. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Life is tough. Life is so tough when you don't have to, you know, buy your own food. I can't deal. How cute. Good boy. Ah la la. Boom. Okay. And just like that, we are done for the day. How cute was Periwinkle? You cannot deny the absolute cuteness that is Periwinkle. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so technically I didn't really use my consolidation method today. I did not. What happened here? Oh, I did consolidation. No, yes, I must have. No, that was it was trending up and I tried to get in there. Okay, well, do you know what? We are in the positives for today and we are winning. And I'm so flipping happy with that. That was so cool. How amazing was today. Look at that. One loss, one half a win. I don't quite know what to call that. I'll call that a break even. So let's say 1 loss, 2 break evens, and 3 wins. Okay. I'm super chuffed with that. We are very much, well, I say very much, we are in the profits. We're in the green. We're ending on the green for today. On the green. That makes it sound like we're playing golf. We are winning. It's basically what I'm getting at. I think we need like a winning dance. Okay. That was very lame. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. That was shocking. Anyways, on that very weird note, I'm gonna call it a day because we are winning and I'm super chuffed with that. And Franks, I am going to go and have a look at Al Brooks and his strategy and flags. Yes, wait, where is they? Where'd they go? Yes. I'm gonna go have a look at the flags and have a look-see. I'm super curious now. You have piqued my curiosity. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and I love you